Monday Market Minute by FranceWas, Keller Williams, Santa Barbara. So today I'm going to be talking to you about giving you a market update on the 93108 area code, which is Montecito. So this week the median price is $6,250,000 and the inventory is steady at 65 houses. We have a slight seller's advantage with the market having achieved a relative stasis point in terms of supply and demand, not hot, not cold, and then the inventory is sufficiently low to give it a slight seller's market, to be in a slight seller's market zone, which in turn brings the price, keeps the price moving upward. And if you look back at the inventory, it really we saw a downshift in inventory in this past fall of 2019. We started seeing a drop in inventory, significant drop in inventory, which interestingly at the onset of the pandemic stabilized, but this fall of 2020 completely, kept on dropping. So prices in the zip code are marching upwards, and we're getting close to a market all-time high. Interestingly, the list price and the price per square foot are pretty much constantly increasing in tandem. As to another thing that is very interesting is to see that the upper end of the market in this zip code is showing signs of strength. There's more demand, and the time to sell houses in the upper price range, over 10 million, is shorter than in the past. Henceforth, this demand in the higher price range is most likely, the strength is most likely going to percolate down to its first and second quartile, which we expect prices in those in those quartiles to follow up and slightly go up. Anyhow, so on an average, properties have been 184 days on the market, and half of the listings that have come newly on the market came up in the last 120 days. As to the higher price range, as I said, less days on the market than the history shows, though it has been stagnant in the first, second, and third quartile. So overall, as the market action action segments, not surprisingly, all segments in the zip code are showing high levels of demand. So watch for the quartile to changes in the whole market as the whole market changes, as I was saying. So since there's high demand in the higher price, it will trickle down to the entry price in that area code. So have a great week. Till next week. À bientôt. Au revoir.